Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Freely. So we're here in the Airbnb setup thing again, but we have so much stuff here. If you just turn the camera around, it's really looking like someone's living here now. We got a bunch of pots, pans, food, coffee, eggs, food, more food. But yes, I'm actually not here alone. I'm here with my family. Say hi, family. This is literally only like a third of them, but we have so many things here. We went to Costco and got like some trash cans, all this other stuff. Got fire extinguisher, all this good stuff needed for the house. We got
You want a chip?
oh yeah, you want to show them your chip?
You want a chip?
Okay. Oh yeah, we got that shower head. We got all this good stuff, and look at this. We took a trip also to IKEA. Got that cool little lamp there. It just adds something to the room. And last night we actually set up these. Yeah, we got these curtains up. Had to like mount it up to the wall here. Took a while, and we also got it done on this window here. So now we have a lot more privacy and just kind of spice up the room. But this is a really cool thing we discovered last night. So we have this fireplace right here, right? But what we did not know is that you could turn this on. I thought this was like decoration, but look, you turn it on, and then this one. Woo! Look at that.
I'm firing my chip.
Yeah, you're firing your chip? Good job. And it's also here, so if you press this button here, it turns on a fan, and you can control how hot, I think. Is that how it works? But yeah, I did not know that. I've been in this house for like a month and a half. And it gives like a very homey feel. Look at that. See? You could be sitting down on this couch, and then boom. Right? Excuse me. That's great. Good amount of stuff done. There's my dad here.
Oh, wait. There you go.
Oh, go ahead. But yeah, so it's honestly starting to feel like an actual place that you can stay now. Now we have curtains and that lamp, and that fireplace actually works. I don't think I ever said where this place was, but guess in the comments where this place is. But we're gonna be here until Tuesday. Today is Saturday. We flew in Friday night. We took a red-eye flight, but now it's Saturday. While my entire family is here, we're just trying to get as much as we can done. A lot of the stuff that we're trying to get done is like stuff that requires tools and stuff I just don't know how to do. For example, those curtains. I had no idea how to do that, but my dad and mom showed me how. So now they're all up now and I know how to do it. They're also taking a look at the other units and seeing just what it needs, giving me tips on how to approach those going forward. And just a lot of great stuff. I'm very grateful for my parents, especially showing me how to do a lot of these things because they also did before on previous houses. After getting back, this is just the biggest, boost in progress we had for this so far. And look, it really does feel like it's like a place you can live in because we have a bed, all my stuff here, and it's great. But yeah, let's get stuff done. Alright, so first thing we can do right now is install this shower head. Shower head itself, pretty fancy. Step 1. Easy peasy. Whoa! Good to go. Debris cleared. Now we gotta put the sealant tape. Perfect. Ah, it's a magnet. Oh, fire. Woo. There we go. Different settings. So this is one. The different one. It's the regular shower one.
Is it a magnet?
Yeah, watch.
Oh, that's awesome.
These curtains, we're trying to get darker ones, right? Thicker ones. Yeah, thicker ones. So I gotta undo the thing to take off the thing, you know. All right, we did it. We got the queen bed. It's a queen bed, right? And the wood box frame and everything else that came with it inside this 15 passenger. Made it work.
Mommy,
Hey, Tim.
you're blocking my seatbelt.
We have more Amazon packages here to open. So first off, we have twin bed sheets, a duvet. Those are our Amazon packages for this episode. Right, while we're doing the curtains, my sisters are assembling this queen bed right here. This queen bed was free, by the way. It came with the frame, the headboard, and everything here. Also with that wooden frame that we had a hard time fitting inside the van, right there. So, yeah, got lots of hands. We got those new curtains here. These ones are a lot more thicker. And look at that fireplace. Oh man, I just like looking at that. Fun fact, I learned on Instagram that is not actually just for storage.
Yeah,
It's like for, yeah, to keep food warm. I didn't know that.
I didn't know that until like later.
The more you know. I'm gonna fill you guys in a little stuff that we were able to do here. See that my mom took off the door on this cabinet area, and she's gonna sand this part down here so it's more nicer. You're gonna add like another board right here, make it nicer. I don't know, there's a lot of things, but yeah, look at that. You walk in, very nice. And they finished off the queen size bed here. Isn't it looking really good in here so far? Did I mention that this frame with the box spring thingy base thing and the queen size bed were all free? The guy, you know, just needed it off his hands. Look at all these supplies here. Paper towel and a messy kitchen. This is gonna end today's vlog. If you want to see the previous vlog, check the bottom link, and the next one, click the top link. I'll see you guys in the next one.